Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for about 45 minutes, but there's some good pre-market action here on CELG. Have an order at 99.80 to try to pick up some shares, looking for a flush down through the $100 number. It's gotten close to 120, but there's definitely some support at that level. So we'll see if I can capture a pre-market trade or not. So that's the current status of things. I will do my best to capture the entry point. But if nothing happens, then I will see you back at 9:30 for the opening bell. All right, looking like it's going for the break. Hit $100 exactly. All right, now that fast it bounced back upwards. So I think I captured some of just how quick it can move, but definitely no promises that I actually capture the entry point on video because I am currently doing other things right now, customer service, emails, responding to things, YouTube comments, all sorts of stuff. So I'm doing my best to keep an eye on it, and now that fast all the way up to almost 100 to 1. So we'll see what happens. All right, going for the break here. Well, it was going for the break of 100. Oh, video's already at a minute and a half and we don't even... Okay, here we are at 100 again, looking for a fast flush down through it on the break. Let's see if we can get it. Again, 99.80 is where my opening order is at. All right, I'm going to pause it. Okay, there's the break. I am in. We'll look for a quick $75, but if it wants to give me more, I will gladly take it. But there's the quick $75. We'll look to trade it again here if it wants to break down through 99.50. So we'll see if it can get down through that point. I'll let it run here a little bit. All right, I'm going to just go ahead and pause it. All right, looking like it could be coming into play here. 99.37. Well, just that fast, it's up to 99.74 on the bid. But volatility's definitely picked back up here again. It is 9:04, so still 26 minutes until the market open. So I will go ahead and pause it again as it looks like it's back over 100, so never mind. All right, market opens up here in about 2 minutes. I lost track of CLG, and it's actually now down through 99. Have an order in at 98.37, so we'll see if I can get some shares of that. But as it stands right now, well, now it's bouncing back up, but like I said, market now officially opens up here pretty soon, so I'll capture the opening bell and we'll see if I can get this order filled right out of the opening gates. Okay, looking like it wants to try to break down through 98. Oh, and that fast, excuse me, back up to 98.90 on the bid. So never mind. The markets are now open and you can see CELG all over the place. We'll see if I can get this 98.15 order that I have out there filled. All right, at this point, I think it's going down below 98. So let's do 97.75. Well, it did go down below 98, but I didn't get my shares at 98.70 or 97.75. Let's give it another try here. All right. Do not like the way it's pausing, so I am now not comfortable unless it hits 97.37. So let's see if it can get down to that area of the chart or not. So 97.90, that range seems like a level of support right now. But we'll see if it can push down through. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I have some shares to short here at 98.95. So now I'm looking to make some money if it gets up there and then rolls back over. So 98.95 is my initial entry point. I will keep you updated. All right, I moved that order up to 99.35 and oh man, now it's all, so never mind, just never even mind. All right, I am in, and figures as soon as I don't get it recording, then I actually get filled. So put an order out there at 96.95, looking like I'll be able to pick up some more, so this is good. Let's go 95.75 here. Or if it wants to bounce and give me the quick 10 cents, then I'll take that. Let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, I got those. So let me scatter out some orders there. Did I just screw that up? I might have, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what happened, to be honest there. I don't know how I'm at. No, it looks like I'm all set. All right, never mind, disregard. So up 225 now. This one is quite the fast mover. What threw me off was the first time I put in that order is actually, okay, I know what happened. Such a fast mover that in the process of me changing my orders around, the price was actually up at my exit point that I wanted, and then obviously I had to wait for that second one to unfold, but I got that also. So 225, not little, wish it would have pulled back some more so that I could have gotten more than 1,000 shares, as there is the bounce right here. But yeah, definitely threw me off with how fast this one is moving. So on the replay, when I go back and watch it, about 99% sure though that's what happened when I put that order out there to sell. I was expecting it to just sit out there and remain white, but it went green right away, implying my shares were sold. All right, I need to stop talking. Let's see. $94.75, just double checking everything. Yes, that's what I want. So $94.75, I'll look to start the process all over again if it wants to keep pulling back. So we will see what happens. Now looking to potentially short this bounce that's underway here on CELG. Again, that's why I was kind of disappointed I was only able to get 1,000 shares on the pullback there. But it is what it is. So let's see if it can break up above 99. My first short order is at 99.45. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. Well, it's making some movement, so I'll let the video roll since I missed the last entry point. All right, I'm going to pause. All right, looking for a fill here at 26.75. Okay, got it. We'll look to take a quick $50, but if it wants to give me some more, then I will gladly take that too. Let's do some more at 26. Oh, like it's going to give me better price. So 26.40, 26.35. Let's see if I can get those. Did it not give me any? Oh, I don't want to. Only one as low as 42. Well, we'll see if I can get another attempt at those orders down there or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I will keep you updated on the trade. Wait, oh, okay, it's starting to bounce a little bit here. We'll see if it can get up to 85 or not. Well, I tried. All right, I'm going to pause. All right, working its way back up into the, or I should say attempting to work its way back up into the 80s. All right, my patience is starting to wear thin on this one, so I'll give it a few more moments, but we'll see what happens with it. All right, so there's a $50. So not the most ideal trade. I was hoping for a little bit quicker action. I realize that sounds crazy if this is your first-time viewer saying, quick, what are you talking about? This didn't even hold for a minute. Yeah, this is a short-term day trading scalping. So, But I'll take the quick $50. So let's see, I'm up 275 and it's not even 15 minutes in the day. So I'm happy with that, but let's see what else I can find. Looking back here at TAL again, you saw me put out those order for another 1,000 shares and I didn't get either of them. And then here you have the bounce right here. So one of those mornings where I'm by no means complaining about the profits, but you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I should have put those orders up just a little bit higher and gotten, you know, that many more shares. But literally now 2 situations same morning where I wanted more before the bounce. I didn't get more and then it bounced really nicely. So what's going on with this one here? Let's check it out. OII, let's see. Let's see. Yes, I'm talking to myself right now. Keep in mind, I am looking at other things than what you see on my screen. So 1985. Gonna get this alerted in the chat room too. So give me a minute while I type. Okay, alert made. So let's see what happens with this one. So a couple orders out there, one on TAL, now from the short side, and then OII from the short side. Oh wow, we're at 11 minutes. All right, I'll be much more stingy with the time management. So break there. Let's see if we can get up to 1985 or not. Okay, gonna get stingy. Okay, I feel like I'm on the border of getting filled on several of these. So I'm trying my best to monitor them so I can get them caught on video, but here are the orders that I have out there just in case I do miss the entry, you know, that they're sitting out there. So I will keep you updated, but currently watching TAL have an order at 28.95, and with the way this one moves, it can, you know, could quickly get up there. So doing my best. All right, it is 10:02. I need to get some other stuff started and worked on for the day. So I'm going to wrap things up real quick. I haven't done this in a while, and given it is a very popular question. One of the questions I do get quite a bit is, hey, Clay, how does your chat room work? So let me bring over the chat room because I had mentioned that, well, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's try that again. So there we go. Is it going to let me capture it? It's going to, come on. All right, just a minute. So you heard me, you know, on the alert say, hey, I got to type something up in the chat room. So that was what I was doing with OII, and you can see here, just trying to come off the bottom with volume. So in your room, if you don't, you can just, you know, scroll back and see what the chart looked like at that exact moment in time. But now let's kind of see how the chart looks. And now you can see the price is, you know, much higher than what it was originally alerted at. So that's just one example of how the room works. And the reason I just pick out that one is because that's literally the one that I was typing up as I talked on the video. So like I said, got to wrap things up here. So I was basically distracted for the final 15 minutes of the first 30 minutes. So essentially after I, you know, got up to 275, got distracted a little bit. So I'm happy with 275. And we'll see if I can do any more trading later. But like I said, right now I have to do other things. If you enjoyed the video and you want a just very quick and efficient way to, you know, communicate that to me, easiest way to do that, please click that like button. So that's your way of telling me, hey, Clay, I enjoy them. Please keep taking time to do these because they're pretty hectic to do. I'm trying to manage orders. I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to pause and play and all that sort of stuff. But if people are enjoying them, I will continue to do them. So click that like button. If you are interested in the chat room, just go to claytrader.com, and that is called the Inner Circle. It is $99 per year, not per month like so many of these other joke chat rooms that are way overcharging and using the whole gimmick of perceived value. Don't fall for that trick. We're all looking at the same data. They have the same data feed that I do. So $99 per year if you're interested in joining. Also, if you're curious and wanting to learn more about technical analysis and charts, I offer training courses on that. So you can, again, go to claytrader.com and you'll see that I offer quite a few online videos. So thank you as always for watching. Click that like button. I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.